is, what day is today? Today's Thursday. My hair is a hot mess. Hold on, let me fix my hair. So, today's Thursday. Anybody have hair tie? You have scrunchie? Okay, so, hair's a mess. But today's Thursday, and working on the kids' lunches because that's what I do. So I'm making pizza, but I'm thinking I want to do a roll-up situation. So I have hot dog, and I'm thinking of maybe putting the hot dog in like this, but at an angle, and just roll it up like that, and then cutting it right there, cutting it right there, and wrap that little end around, wrap this other end around, and then cut it like that. Put them on a baking sheet and bake away. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'll come back and show you guys what they look like.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Take you there.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a solo day in my life. I'm so sorry for just throwing you guys into my chaos, but usually my day starts off with me preparing the children's lunches, and then I get Madison dressed for preschool, and then I do the girls' hair, and it's pretty hectic. Every single day is a solo day in my life because for the majority of it. I'm the only one raising these children 75% of the day. Their father worked Monday through Friday, and he's off Saturdays and Sundays. So that's why I give all the responsibilities to him on the weekend, and I just take a break and just relax, because it's a lot handling 5 children throughout the week on any given situation. So after getting the kids dressed and situated, I run upstairs and get myself together, because I do go to the gym afterwards. And then after that, I have to hurry downstairs, because once I hear that school bus coming in the cul-de-sac, I know it's time for me to rush Maddie across the street, because my sweet friend, who's also my neighbor, she transport Maddie to preschool, because her child also attends the same preschool, and they're both in the same class, which is a plus. So we have a situation going that works for both of us, because Maddie has to be at school at 7:45, and my other kids have to be at school at 7:45. So she do drop off and pick up for the preschoolers, and I do drop off for my kids and pick up her oldest, and we just have an arrangement going that works amazing for both of us. So that's why you see me bringing Maddie across the street, because she rides with her. And then after that, after the rush and everything, I just kind of come home and just kind of, do my cleaning or whatever it is that I have to do. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this video, because I'm talking way too much. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't.
Bye, bye. Okay, so all done. I'm gonna go drop off these 2, and then I'll catch up with y'all in a little later. Bye, guys. We're waiting for school to open.
And I have a big eraser.
7:45, and they're still in my car. Whoa, dude!
That's a big screen. Oh, sorry.
Okay, guys, so it's 7:42.
Fine.
7:42. I'm waiting for their school to open. And then I have to go to the gym, and then I forgot to take out dinner. I gotta go to Walmart or Target. No, I'm gonna go to Target, because I have a Target pickup order. I ordered something for the kids' bathroom to decorate their bathroom with, so I have to go pick that up. So I think I have to go to Target, or I could go to Walmart and then come back, because Target don't open until 8, so that's 15-minute wait, and Target is like literally 10 seconds away from me. Walmart is like 2 minutes away, so I don't want to have to go to Walmart and then come back this way, and then I have to go to the gym. I'm doing 1 hour at the gym today, 1 hour in some, because we are in February, and I get my closet system this month.
She's opening the door.
All right, bye, guys. Love you. Have a good day.
You too.
Love you, Bills. They're gone. Just like that. They left me. So, anyways, I got to go, because, I got to drive. Okay, so sitting outside Target since 7:47 is 7:57. Like, it's not been 10 minutes. Why are we so impatient in this country? Yeah. Can't wait to get inside Target. I'm excited for Target. I thought I had a gray hair under my chin. I probably do have a gray hair. Thought I saw my neighbor, scared the living mess out of me. This lady insists on triggering me. I saw her coming out of her house the other day, and she triggered me. triggered the mess out of me. I was like, woosah, calm down, calm down. Caught the Holy Spirit up in me. I was like, whoa, whoa. Was not expecting to see you. But you know, it's okay. Rob was like, what you want her to do? Stay in her house for the rest of her life? I was like, whoa. Homegirl better not be messing around with my property, calling HOA all willy-nilly, because you know what? I might just forget that I'm a Christian and smack the living daylight out of her. You know what I mean? Don't do it. Don't do it. Because I will catch a charge. I will catch a charge. And I don't want to. I don't want to catch a charge. But these people are trying me. I'm like, I'm so quiet. I stay to myself. I stay in my house. I don't mess with these people. But they go around calling HOA on every single thing they see us do because we don't come ask them for their signature. Bet I am not asking you for shit. Call HOA all you want. Damn snitch. This spring when we come out, y'all better not act up. Because Janice was nice last year. Different Janice now. Okay? Let's go in Target. We're gonna be a white girl today. I like these. What do they do? But I think that's paper. I like that. My Target never has Jack. I don't know what those are. Never have anything in the store. Never. I have these. Again, I think that's cardboard. I'm not sure. Nope, nothing. It's so dry in here. Okay, so I picked up my order. I'm in the candy section. I don't know what to get these kids. I got Jaxson a box, but I also got to get Destiny. Some of their stuff is on sale. Like this. There's some boom chicka pop that I could get. It's sweet and salty, and then it's not a lot of kids in their classes, especially Destiny's, so it's not hard to get a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna go figure out what I'm getting them and then get out of here because my friend is waiting for me at the gym. She's been waiting for like 15 minutes now. I forgot she didn't have her other little one. So I'm gonna go grab some more stuff and then get out of here because I gotta go. Oh my gosh. You bad boy. Okay, so I should show you guys what I got from Target because I'm already late. I'm a horrible friend, I know. I'm already late, so to meet up with her, so it makes no sense. So I got this little sign that says, it'd be nice if I put it, wash your hands. I ordered that last night because I saw someone on Instagram using it, and I was like, Instagram made me do it. Got these little this kit for Jaxson. It has 24 thing. I didn't read his instruction for his class party, so I think they said he had to decorate something. I don't know. I just got that just in case. And then I got him Skittles. 25. There's 14 kids in his class, so I figured Destiny could have the rest. I think there's like 9 kids in Destiny's class. And then I was like, let's get them something else. So I got them Swedish fish. 25 in this as well. So that's it. That's it, folks. So I gotta head to the gym right now because I'm like really late. I'm like 17 minutes late. No, I'm actually 30 minutes late. That's bad. I'm a horrible friend. Hold on. Look at that. Oh, back in the house. I'm gonna go take a quick shower and then get my coffee. It's like 10 o'clock and I haven't had coffee yet. So I'm gonna go take a shower, make my coffee, and then clean this hot mess that the girls left. All that doll stuff have to go back upstairs to their room because no, tomorrow's Friday and I can't afford for the house to be a hot mess. So I gotta clean that up, but unfortunately you guys won't see me clean that up because it's gonna be in a cleaning video going up today, and you guys will see this vlog on Friday. So let's go do that. So the little one is home from preschool and we're just cuddling up watching her favorite YouTube thing, and then I have to leave here in like 45 minutes. So my neighbor picks her up for me, which is so sweet. So I don't have to pick her up. Okay guys, so kids are home from school. Jaxson is about to work on his did I show you guys? Yeah. So there's 25. You have 14 kids in your class. Where's the list with the kids' name?
I'm not doing it.
So, and then you're gonna, so there's 14 kids in Jackson's class, and then whatever is left over, there's 7 kids including Destiny, 8 in her class, so she gets the leftover, so she can write up and bring to her friends.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything.
Okay, so it's dinner time. I finished working on that with Jaxson. Made dinner. I made barbecue chicken. Robin's having sweet potato, broccoli. I can't eat broccoli. It just doesn't sit well on my stomach. So I don't eat broccoli. And the kids are gonna have mixed vegetable and brown rice. So that's what I'm making for them. And I'm just gonna have the other half of the sweet potato and mixed vegetable and a small piece of chicken, and that's it. I'm working on a video that's going up tonight, but it's running a little behind because I found this new way of editing my video. I like it, but it's time consuming for this lazy chick. Like, I'm lazy. Like, just like how I record my videos, I just kind of like put them up, but now I actually edit them, and you know, the exposure and all that makes it brighter so that you guys have quality videos. Like, I was so focused on quantity and neglecting quality, but now it's more quality than it is quantity. So let me go feed my family, and then I'll come back and end the video for today.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, so this is the children's dinner. Little Madison is over here. She doesn't eat a lot, but I still have her half a chicken in the pan just in case she wants it. She's not gonna eat this, I can guarantee you. This is the twins because they eat a lot. This is, I believe, Jaxson and Destiny. I think I gave her too much rice, but she'll be okay. So get a spoon. You're welcome. Guys, come get your dinner. Jordan, come on, Papa. I'm tired. I want to sit down. JJ? Thank you. You're welcome. I hope you guys like it. Destiny?
Thank you.
Welcome. You're the one. You're in her spot. You're in her spot. Then after this, time to clean up our messes. I hope you like it, okay? Stop picking your nose. No, stop picking your nose. We're not talking about that right now. Hey, stop picking your nose. Okay, guys, so this is my dinner. A small piece of big chicken, a little bit of brown rice, mixed vegetable, and half of sweet potato, and that's it.